Hi everyone, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and today is October 12th. It's Monday at 6:25 p.m. and you're looking at what we call the swing machine, and I want to share with you what we're about to do over the next 10 minutes max. That's all we have at YouTube. One of our traders today was trading swing machine, specifically the ES, the NQ, the Russell, the gold, nat gas, and soybean. And he was trading it on a 1, 3, 5-minute interval. And he was using his price charts. And I'm not going to go, and I'm going to respect his privacy. We're not going to go any further than that. He had a very good trading day. I'm not going to share with you the amount of money. That's private to him. But we can share with you, I don't think he'd mind at all, what he had for profit factor, and that was 8, over 8. I think it was 8.5, thereabouts. And what that means is he made $8.50 for every dollar he lost, and then it's proportionate from there. So he didn't make just $8, but it's proportionate. If you don't know what a profit factor is, and they haven't been using a profit factor, I think you're at a really distinct disadvantage wherever you're following and whatever you're doing, because it isn't about the money. The money is a byproduct. The money is what happens when you know how to trade and you're executing. If you don't know what a profit factor is, and you're not keeping a profit factor, and you're not measuring your profit factor, then you really don't have any way of keeping score. You don't have any way of grading your own performance from one day to the next, from one week to the next, or from 1 month to the next. How do you know if you're getting any better? It's not the money. And most retail traders never learn that, and they equate everything to the money. In fact, they do everything based on the money. And they can even grade a particular, strategy or something specifically on the money on one trade, and it isn't about that at all. What I wanted to share with this trader, though, today is a question that comes up frequently from folks who see our videos or see the pictures of the swing machine, and they want to know, well, what if I had traded the swing machine all day long from midnight to the close today on the 1 minute, and I took every single trade that swing machine produced, what would it have done? And we're about to show you that. Now, this will not have a profit target. This will not have a stop loss. It's just going to show you the raw data. We can drill down into this data. We can look at the run ups and the run downs, but we're going to show you the raw data. Now, swing machine is not an ATM. It does not automatically print money. Sometimes it feels like that, but it doesn't. It is an artificially intelligent indicator that helps us track money flow in a way in which nobody else has, because we wrote the proprietary algorithms to track the price action. There are some other ways to do it. We're not saying this is the only way. There are other ways, I suppose, but moving averages and stuff like that really don't work, and that this is not based on anything that you're going to find in your library at Thinkorswim, Schlub, or even at TradeStation. It's our proprietary program, written in TradeStation's easy language, running on the fantastic platform at TradeStation. We can't, we couldn't do what we do without the TradeStation platform. So we recommend it highly. So the big thing is about swing machine is if you couple swing machine, you could trade purely from here, but if you want to couple it with your favorite chart, it's going to help you make your decisions to get the fish in the boat. So we're going to go to the chart. We're going to punch up the ES and look at the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and the 5 minute. I'm going to do it through all of the markets and show you and show him. Okay, so here goes. This is, these results would be accurate. This is the ESZ contract on the 1 minute, running just the zinger portion of swing machine, not all the other elements that help us decide when to leave and so forth. It's very dynamic. But if you had left this on just since midnight, let's come in and see. And I'm going to be seeing this for the first time today. So since midnight, it would have had 24 trades. It would have won 37% of them for a net of 1950. Let's change it to a 3-minute. 11 trades, 1750. 5-minute. 9 trades, 1312. Now, let's put this back to a 1-minute, and let's put his second market, as I recall, was the NASDAQ. So let's put that little nasty NASDAQ in there. We'll use the continuous contract. It's going to be, the same data. And we're going to need that, give this a second to reload here. 25 trades on a 1-minute. If you had taken all 25 trades, you would have made $7,400. That's accurate. 3-minute. 9 trades, 4,455. 5-minute. 7 trades for 3,000. Now, let's go back, put this back to the 1-minute. The third market he chose to trade today. I don't know. I don't think he had any trades in the Russell. I don't think it did much. Was the Russell. So let's put the Russell in here, and it's at RTY. And of course, if you're trading micros, everything is proportionate, but this is with the mini contract. I'm going to let this populate. So on the 1-minute, 28 trades, 210. 3-minute, 13 trades would have lost 350. And the 5-minute, 11 trades would have lost 390. Now, the fourth trade, or the fourth market, was gold at GC. Actually, this is the fourth market. So on a 5-minute, we'll start with a 5-minute. Gold would have had 11 trades, would have lost 900. We'll work it backwards here. I'm sorry, but we'll go backwards here. We'll go to the 3-minute because Swing Machine does 135. The 3-minute on gold would have had 15 trades, would have lost 1450. And the 1-minute, let's get this to hurry up and come up. 35 trades at 1280. Now, we are going to mention something in this. It isn't all about just this raw data, but we're going to show you, we're trying to show you this raw data. The other market was nat gas at NG. And so we're already on the 1-minute. So let's see what nat gas did, or what Swing Machine did. 35 trades would have lost 270 today. Let's change it to a 3-minute. 12 trades would have lost 530. And then the 5-minute. 8 trades would have lost 1010. Now, this particular trader actually made money on nat gas today. And you may say, well, how did he do that? Well, I'll explain in a moment. And then the last one is soybean. And that's at S. And we'll look, I think it's going to be the 5-minute that comes up first. So soybean had just 2 trades on a 5-minute chart. It made 1975. Let's come to the 3-minute. It had 4 trades for 2,000. Oops, sorry about that. And then lastly, the 1-minute. 24 trades for 1425. Now, this, we don't have time here on YouTube, but we certainly do for our members, and our members have this data and have these models on their programs to take apart. When you have a model like this, there's a lot of information that you can glean. But one of the things that what Swing Machine is doing that we don't have time to delve into, it is consistently having run-ups that are 2, 3, and even greater than the rundowns. Which means that you're getting into the money multiples higher than you're losing money, than the drawdowns. Very, very tradable system. It's very, very comfortable. It should be very comfortable. That is worth its weight in gold. Now remember, this strategy here, we didn't put profit targets in here. We didn't put stops in here. But this particular trader that was trading today was using a disciplined approach, mechanical, computerized approach for profits and targets. And that's what separates him from the pack. He's executing like a machine with the help of machines. A far cry from what, the Robinhood traders are doing. If you are interested in this sort of approach, there's a lot here. It isn't, in sports, the young kid who is learning to play basketball, he thinks it's all about shooting the basket. Baseball, just about hitting the ball. Football, thinks just about throwing the ball, running the ball. Hockey, just shooting at the net. When you mature, you learn that there's a lot more to the game. There's a defensive aspect to the game, and you got to be able to throw, you got to be able to catch, you got to be able to run, you got to be able to dribble, you got to be able to skate backwards. You got to be able to have some game. When you're trading, the Robinhood traders think it's just, I just buy something and I turn around and sell it 5 minutes later. Good luck with that. Let me know how that works out for you. And when you learn what we already know, and you've had enough of that, we're here to help you out. I'm Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy, 813-758-8263. And my hats are off to Chris. Great job, Chris.